Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This tutorial shows you how to sync your TikTok account to Facebook and contacts. If you find this useful, please subscribe and like the video. Syncing your contacts and Facebook friends list will help you grow your TikTok account quickly. Open TikTok and log in to your account. Tap on your profile at the bottom right. Tap the three horizontal lines at the top. Tap on the gear icon to explore settings. Tap on privacy. Tap on Sync Contacts and Facebook Friends. Syncing your contacts will help you find and get discovered by people you may know. Your Facebook friend list will periodically be synced. This includes people who share mutual connections with you on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.